If you work on your own Tacoma, this is the tool that keeps you from guessing. This is the repair manual every 3rd gen Tacoma owner should have. And the 4th gen is coming soon. And this isn't a summary or a shortcut, it's the real workshop manual. If you install mods, do maintenance, or troubleshoot issues on your Tacoma, you already know the problem. YouTube skips steps, forums argue, and guessing costs money. So today, I'm walking through the exact PDF service manual I use to plan jobs, double check specs, and avoid mistakes before I touch anything. This is a Toyota Tacoma service and repair manual from eManualOnline. It's a full factory style workshop manual. It includes step-by-step repair procedures, factory torque specs, electrical wiring diagrams, exploded views of components, diagnostic flowcharts. This is the same level of information professional techs and dealerships use. Getting it is simple. Go to eManualOnline.com, select Toyota, choose Tacoma, pick your year, and download the PDF. Once you have it, it works on a tablet, phone, or laptop, and it's searchable, printable, and usable offline. They also gave the channel a 22% site-wide discount. Code is Smoky Mtn 22. And it's good through April 30th, 2026. I'll have the link and code in the description and pinned comment. Let me show you how I actually use this, even when I'm not actively wrenching. Most mistakes happen before the job even starts. This lets you plan instead of guess. I use this manual to plan installs, verify torque specs, understand component layout, check wiring before tapping anything. This is how you avoid strip bolts, broken clips, and redoing work. YouTube is great for visuals, but it's terrible for precision. This manual doesn't skip steps. It doesn't assume. It gives you the exact order, specs, and locations. And when you're working on a modern Tacoma with tight tolerances, that matters. This pays for itself the first time you don't mess something up. This makes sense if you do your own mods, maintain your Tacoma, plan installs ahead of time, or just want to understand how your truck works. If you ever paused a video thinking, I wish I had the factory steps, this is that. I'll leave the link and 22% off code in the description and pinned comment. Drop a comment. What mod or maintenance project are you planning next? If this helped, hit like so more Tacoma owners can find it. All Tacoma, all the time. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mtn Taco, out.